boy Jay-Woo. I got another project. No, not the RX-7. Another project car. That's what I do. I like to buy cars and do things to them. Little things. But anyways, today's episode, Camper Car 2, the HHR build part 1. Yes, I have another HHR. As you can see here, I have two blue HHRs. I don't know why, blue, just happened. Got a good deal on it, whatever. So the goal here is that we built a camper car, a makeshift camper car for a road trip where we went to the West Coast and went through 14 different states, almost a month. It was amazing. It was a great time, beautiful sights. We want to do it again, but camper car number 1 has been taking a beating. It's my girlfriend's car now. And so I think it's time to start over a fresh slate, and I'm going to do a build video. So I'm gonna do a series, the HHR series, and this is part 1. So let's get to it, baby. Woo! Yay! Thanks 5 HHR people watching this. Alright, so what we got here are the HHRs. And first of all, to really get things going, I want the car to look better. So I ordered some lights off of eBay. They're the black headlights, black interior headlights, the depot style headlights actually. Got them for sale. They're $80 right now. So got those, picked the set of those up. We're gonna install those. Also, we can install a grill, give it a nice darker finish, custom grill, also from eBay. So what we need to do with this car is we need to go camping. We want to go often. When we went camping on our first trip, we pushed the car to the limits. We were driving over really big rocks and things, and we almost got stuck, but we didn't. We ran a pretty decent snow tire. So if anyone out there who's like, yo, I want to be a rally dude, you want to go side roading, get a real large snow tire. They're great in gravel. You can ask any rallycross driver. Snow tires will rock, like a Blizzak, a real nice snow tire. So you can also use those, a nice tall one or something like that, and you can get the same effect. Well, we're taking this next level. I think what we need to do with this ride is we need to use big tires. Big tires. So we picked up some Toyo AT tires, and they're 215/65 R16 on some KMCs. So these look like they're gonna do it. I'm gonna add these tires, see where it goes, and let's just get to it and see what happens here. Those are tires. We're getting them on here, but ran into a few problems. The clearance on the front strut is just like that much. It's close, but it's working. Other problem we had is we had the cut in the rear section of the front fender. We had to take the mud flaps off, and then we also had to trim the little piece of plastic, and also in the front we have to trim. Just take a zip wheel cut, it's right there towards the bottom, really easy. And then in the rear, we found that the rear part of the wheel well has a plastic piece or indents and goes straight down. Cut that right out. You have a really good clearance here. Things are looking good, and it's driving pretty well, it seems like. So let's take it for a cruise, see how it's going.